It's getting cold again. I think I should look for a new jacket on the internet. Wow, this one looks nice. Who is that? Should I really order it? I don't really need it because the puffer jacket from the last winter still fits me and the shipping around the world is bad for the environment.
Rethink means to think again if you really need something. For example, you don't need to buy a new winter jacket every year when the old one still fits you.
Nein.
Disadvantages of online shopping. Shipping costs, delivery period, possible minimum order values, no advice from the specialist staff.
Lehner, do you want to come with me to the second-hand shop down the street?
What is that?
It's a shop where people bring their old but still wearable clothes.
Okay, sounds good. Let's try. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Can I help you?
We're just looking.
Okay.
Wow, this jacket looks nice. Can I try it on?
Yeah, of course.
Wow, it's amazing. But much cheaper.